My name is Sonia, and today I am participating in a fall DIY and decor challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy. I'm making ever so popular chalkboard sign, and it cost me $0. I made it from materials that I've already had at home, and like I said, made it from materials that I already had at home, and it was super easy, super quick thing to put together if you want to have that chalkboard sign for fall. Well, it can be really applied to any season or any other decor you want to use it for, but I specifically made it for fall. So and like I said, I love the way it turned out, so come along and I'll show you how I make it. So I had found this shelf in my garage that was cut off. It used to be a longer shelf and it was cut off, and it was just kind of laying around getting all dirty and nasty looking. So I ended up using a sanding block to sand off all the dirt and all the stuff stuck to it on both sides, and just give it a really good cleaning. Once I was done, I painted it with an acrylic paint that I already had from a different project. It's just a black acrylic paint that I picked up at Dollarama, and I painted 2 coats of it on just the one side, so that way it resembles a chalkboard. Once I was done with that, I used a chalk that I picked up at Dollar Tree. It's a chalk pen, and I just sharpened it on a piece of paper. And then I just went along and wrote and drew what I wanted to for the fall. So I made a pumpkin, and then I just wrote Happy Fall. Here it is. I just ended up taking my finger and smudging the whole thing up, and I hope you enjoy it and enjoyed this video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I do lots of DIY projects, lots of painting furniture, making wreaths, making arrangements, things like that, and there's a lot more coming my way for fall and Christmas. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a wonderful day.